A.
66A ना, नाही ऑप्शन बी त्याचं आहे, ऑप्शन बी. $67.
B.
ऑप्शन सी आहे त्याचा, 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Indirect elections of chairpersons of panchayat at the intermediate and district levels, and 2, fresh elections within 6 months in case of dissolution. Okay, C. Now I come to the next. Hmm. 8. Hmm. 68.
C.
A
D.
correct. B का A? B.
A. A.
A is correct. 68A is correct. Now I come to the next.
C.
69C correct. Their explanation is a district planning committee comes under 74th amendment, not in 73rd amendment. Okay. Now 70.
Yes, sir.
Can I go next page?
Yes, sir.
Next.
A.
Option D is right, Anushka. Because according to Panchayat Extension to the Schedule Act 1996, Gram Sabha has power to prevent alienation of land in scheduled area. And here Gram Sabha has got many rights, granting prospecting license or mining lease for any mineral in scheduled areas. So option D is correct. Got it?
Yes.
Now come to the next example, 71.
C.
71.
C.
Option C. No, option A is correct. 1, 2, and 3 only. $72.
A.
No, option B is correct. 1 and 2. It can punish for its contempt. Second, its decisions are admitted as evidence and cannot be questioned by any court. 72B. Hmm?
Yes.
$73 चालू आहे ना?
Yes. B.
73B. Yes, that's right. Correct. Now 74.
Option C.
74. Option D आहे त्याचं. Second and third. Proved misbehavior and incapacity. Okay.
Yes.
75. स्टेटमेंट वाच, मग नंतर मी वर घेतो.
झालं सर. झालं सर करून.
चौथं पण झालं.
नाही बा.
चौथं स्टेटमेंट आहे ना.
A.
75 option D येतं अनुष्का. Because these provisions are given under Article 233 up to 235 in the chapter of subordinate courts in the Constitution of India? So 75's option is option D, last. Hmm? No, 76.
C.
No, 76 answer is A. A, 2 and 3. Because there are 24 high courts in India with 3 new states created in 2000 year. Having own high courts, Chhattisgarh in Bilaspur, Uttarakhand at Nainital, Jharkhand at Ranchi, Punjab, Haryana, and Chandigarh have a common high court in Chandigarh. In the year 2013, 3 new high courts in the northeast, Meghalaya, Manipur, Tripura, were created, taking the total number of high courts in the country from 21 up to 24. That's why option A is correct for 76 example. Okay,
Yes.
now I come to the next 77.
C.
Hmm?
C.
No, option A. Because when statutory or recognition had been given to Lok Adalat, it was provided that the award passed by Lok Adalat formulating the terms of compromise will have the force of degree of a court which can be executed as a civil court decrees. Okay,
Yes.
it was an explanation of 77. Now come to the next 78.
D.
Huh?
D. D.
Option D. No, option A is correct. Option A. 79.
D.
Yes, correct. Very good. 80.
A.
Correct. 81. करू पुढे. 81. First option 2, 3, 5. B 1 and 4. C 1, 3, 4, 5. And D 2 and 3.
Option D.
Option D, correct. Now next. List 1 events and list 2 years are given. First, formation of Bharatiya Janata Party. B, acceptance of Mandal Commission report. Third, formation of the first communist government in an Indian state. And fourth, passing of 42nd Amendment Act. So which is correct?
सर मला क्वेश्चन दाखवा ना.
Question का? This one, हे बघ. I am moving cursor. List 1 events, list 2 years.
C.
Yes, correct. Option C is right. Now next, which of the following is or are not fundamental rights under Constitution of India? Right to education, right to work, right to form association, right to practice any profession.
C.
Correct. C is right. Which of the following are basic features of Constitution 73rd Amendment Act? 1, 2, 3, 4. So select the correct answer using the code given below. First, second and third only. Third and fourth only. First, second, third and fourth, and second and fourth only.
A.
A is correct. बरोबर. Next.
C.
नाही त्याचं बी आहे. ऑप्शन बी 1 and 2 only. हे वाचून घे मग मी पुढे जातो.
Just read. B.
Yes, correct. B. आता 87. Which of the following is or are true relating to Nelson Mandela? He was the first president of South Africa. Mandela spent 18 years in prison on Robben Island. Mandela became president in 1990 after his release from the prison. Which is relevant.
Second. B.
नाही, त्याचं सी आहे. Mandela spent 18 years in prison on Robben Island. Okay. Got it?
Yes.
88.
C.
Yes, option C is right for 88. Correct. 89.
C.
Yes, correct. Because explanation is given here. Federal government is the common government of federation. There is more than one level of a government which runs according to overlapping and sharing power is prescribed by constitution. Okay.
Yes.
Now 90 we have to complete in this lecture. Immediately after 5 minutes, I shall start next lecture. 5 minutes I shall take break. So last example you take on this page 90. Then from 91 to 100 remaining examples in the next lecture I shall complete it after 10 minutes. Okay, so tell me the correct option of 90. Which one among the following pair is not correctly matched? Union list, state list, concurrent list, residuary list.
A.
No, option D. Because education is included in concurrent list, residuary list or powers are matters not included in the union list, concurrent list. So these are powers under judiciary. Okay. So option D
Yes.
is correct option. Let us stop here.